Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a React.js application. Here you can integrate the country picker with flags, and you can get the information about a specific country using this select picker. And here you can search for any country right here, and you can just write select this country and you will see the country details, which is the name of the country and the country code. So in this way you can select any country of your choice and this will change. So I will show you the simple component inside React.js, how to build this component, how to integrate the country select field. So it's a very simple component, and you can even see the flags of the countries as well. So all the countries in the world, we are getting the flags and displaying the details. So it is returning this information from this component, and I will show you how to do this. The package name is very simple, which is react-country-dropdown. So if you just search for this package in npmjs.com, so this is, I think, is the package React Country Dropdown. So it's basically a simple React Country Select Dropdown component, and it's almost having 642 downloads, and this is actually the command. I've already installed it, so I will just show you a very basic example of how to include this. So just make a simple functional component and just include the module using the import statement React Country Dropdown. So it will be coming from this package, 74 kilobytes of size of this. So inside the state we will declare a single variable just to keep track of which country the user is selecting. So based upon that, we will show the information about that specific country. So we'll use the useState hook. And now to show this country picker inside the div, just make a simple custom styles. Give it a padding of 20 pixel and a font family of Arial. And here we'll be including this component, which is React Country Dropdown. If you do this now, refresh, nothing will happen. But because we do need to pass some options to this component, the very first option is actually the default country that you want to show. So this is a 2-digit country code. So JP stands for Japan. So then we have the second function, which is a callback function. So when we select a particular country, this function will execute handle country change for the drop down. So if you select a country from the drop down, this function will execute. So inside this function, handle country change. So inside this function, we will get the country which the user has selected directly inside this parentheses. So now we can console log it just to see if it is working or not. So if I just refresh now, you will see this field appearing. And if you search for a country, select it and go to inspect element console, you will see this object right here, and it retrieves, basically gives the information about that specific country, capital, citizen, code, currencies. This is actually the flag of this country, SVG, name of the country, region, time zone. So all such information is returning to us in a JSON response. So now we can simply display these information. So right here, so what we can do, we can set this data in the hook function, set country data, country. So now we will be simply be using some conditional JSX. So if the, we will simply say that if the data is available, if the country data is available, in that case we need to show the information in that 3 tag. We will say the country details. So we can simply print out the country details using this object that I showed you, which contains name and code. So if you just see now, if you select a particular country, you will see this box holding the name and the country code. You can select any country of your choice. So in this way, you can integrate this nice little React.js component to actually integrate the country select component drop down, which contains all the countries in the world alongside with the flag as well. And you will get all the information about that specific country. So this is actually the package React Country Dropdown. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.